Mwena wa Rarienda guuku ni kauntaini ya Siaya nimarokire gũtabania mũngũrũrio na nĩ thutha wa cucu umwe wa miaka 79 gũkorwo aragĩtwo na njira ya kiunyamu na mwĩrĩ wake gũkorwo wanangĩtwo. Kurerikana atĩ cucu ũyũ ambĩte kũnyitwo kiahinya nĩ andũ matoĩkaine na gũcoka kana na thutha ũcio agĩcoka kũgerwo ngero ya kiunyamu mwĩrĩ-inĩ wake. Mũtumia ũyũ no rĩo kuonekanĩte ta Matilda owuor kurerikana aroragirwo nĩ ekwĩrwo erĩ na kũrĩa kwĩrwo umwe no rĩo rĩkĩtie kũrĩkana na rĩtwa rĩa Jacinta Odhiambo hamwe na mũruna we marĩkĩtie gũikio ngono rĩrĩ ũthuthuria ũrathiĩ na mbere. Njuragano ĩno yahanĩkire kwa kahinda ka mweri ũmwe mũhĩtũku no rĩu ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo aikari magĩthiĩ na mbere na kũrotereria rũhonge rwa ũgacĩro ODPP makiuga atĩ ũthuthuria ndũrĩ wakorwo ũgĩkinyanĩra arĩ mwaka kana arĩ gwa kahinda ka mweri ũmwe kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa njuragano ĩno yekĩkire. Gĩtũmi kĩao kĩnene gũkorwo makĩrũrũngana itemi rĩa gũkorwo magietha niki kiarire kiria kingi na gutigirira ati uthuthuria no akorwo ugitabanio na njira iria yagirire na ya naihenya.
We are here in relation to a death pertaining a 79-year-old granny who was allegedly murdered in a house somewhere in Uyoma, Masala. The allegations pertaining to this particular murder are that there is a suspect, namely Jacinta, who is being alleged to have sent two gentlemen to go and steal some chicken and maize from the deceased, the 79-year-old lady. Now, it's further alleged that these two gentlemen, namely Kwada and Kaba, I think that is their village names, they went to execute the plan. And in the process of executing the plan, the said Kwada confessed that they were seen by the accused. And it is from that perception that the person, the lady whoever sent them, Jacinta, instructed them to go and do away with the deceased on grounds that since the deceased have seen them, they are likely to be cited the following day. So I think acting on that instruction, from the lady Jacinta, the main suspect in this murder charge, they went, raped this 79-year-old lady. Imagine a 79-year-old lady staying alone. Then a woman who is just selling changa and bang in a village decided to send some rogue boys to go and kill the lady in the name of getting her the maize and the chicken that the lady wanted to eat chicken. The changa seller, the said Jacinta, wanted to eat chicken. This incident happened sometimes on 30th of July. And this year, it happened 30th of July this year. The accused were arrested, taken under miscellaneous in Madian, and how these miscellaneous were closed without the accused persons being charged formally before court to face the offenses of murder is still mysterious to us. And we are calling upon the DCIO together with ODPP, kindly explain to us how you managed to close the miscellaneous file against Jacinta and Kaba while using confession made by Kwada. You are charging Kwada, yet the same confession is saying that this particular incident was done together with the two suspects that you released. So we really want to know how Kaba and Kwada made it away from the police station. We really want to know.